ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল তোমালোকক পুনৰ এডুৱেডলৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছো। আমি অলৰেডি দুটা আগৰ সেশনত সলিড ষ্টেটৰ বিষয়ে অধ্যয়ন কৰিলো আৰু প্ৰথম দুটা সেশনত আমি দেখিলো সলিডৰ প্ৰকাৰ, সলিড প্ৰধানকৈ দুই প্ৰকাৰৰ দেখিলো, ক্ৰিষ্টেলাইন সলিড আৰু এমৰফাছ সলিড। আৰু দ্বিতীয় সেশনত আমি চালো ক্ৰিষ্টেলাইন সলিডৰ বিভিন্ন প্ৰকাৰ। ঠিক আছে, now we'll continue with the another next part of the solid state. What is the next part of the solid state is crystal lattice. In crystal, the constituent particles are arranged in a definite order. Hoine tumale paisa na? Constituent particles are arranged in a definite order. Now when we arrange this constituent particle in a definite order, each point represents a constituent particles. In actual form, the constituent particles are arranged in a closed packed structure, isn't it? But for our convenience, we are representing in the form of a dot, isn't it? Now each dot is representing constituent particles and these are called as lattice point. Now if we connect this lattice point, then if we connect this lattice point, then we can have a particular type of structural form. This structural form is extended throughout the crystal in 3 dimensions, and that arrangement of constituent particles in a particular structure in 3 dimensions is called as crystal lattice. So crystallo lattice buli koi okomet kolo crystallo lattice. So crystallo lattice hol then what is crystal lattice? It is the 3-dimensional arrangement of lattice point by constituent particles. So what is crystal lattice? You can write 3-dimensional arrangement of constituent particle in space or lattice point. So 3-dimensional arrangement of constituent particles in space is called crystal lattice. Now when you arrange this particle, it is extended into 3 dimensions. What we have seen a particular type of arrangement, particular type of box type arrangement, isn't it? Particular type of box type arrangement which has been extended throughout the crystal. Now this is the basic unit in which has been repeated in different direction. Etu eta basic unit, etu eta atattoke ক্ষুদ্রতম অংশ যেটো অংশক আমি বিভিন্ন দিশত ত্ৰিমাত্ৰীয় দিশত ইয়াক যদি পুনৰাবৃত্তি ঘটাও তেতিয়ালে সমস্ত ক্ৰিষ্টেল লেটিছটো গঠন হয়। সো এই বেসিক যেটো ইউনিট এটো কোৱা হয় ইউনিট সেল, অসমত কলে একক কোষ। সো আমি জানিব লাগিব what is unit cell. So our discussion will now confine to unit cell, একক কোষ। So what we have seen, when we construct the crystal lattice, the atoms are arranged in a particular point, the lattice point are arranged in a particular 3-dimensional arrangement in which can be arranged by some repeating unit, and these repeating unit are called as the unit cell. So what is an unit cell? Unit cell is the smallest part of crystal lattice which when repeated in different direction generate the crystal. So what is the unit cell? Unit cell bilak ami ki boli kau ekok koষ. Unit cell is the smallest repeating unit which when repeated in different direction. Ekok koষ bilak hol কোনো এটা crystal lattice আটাইতকৈ ক্ষুদ্ৰতম অংশ যেটোক আমি বিভিন্ন দিশত পুনৰাবৃত্তি ঘটাই সমস্ত ক্ৰিষ্টেলটো গঠন কৰিব পাৰো। ঠিক আছে, হেতু হল ইউনিট সেল। সো ইউনিট সেল ইজ দ্য ফান্ডামেন্টাল পার্ট অফ এ ক্রিস্টাল লেটিস। যিকোনো ক্রিস্টেলৰ ইউনিট সেলটো হল আটাইতকৈ basic things. ঠিক আছে, now this unit cell have some characteristics of unit cell. unit cell কিছুমান বিশেষ characteristics আছে কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ characteristics আমি চাম a unit cell is characterized by certain parameters কিছুমান parameters ৰ দ্বাৰা unit cell এটা আমি define কৰিব what are these parameters its dimension along 3 edges A, B and C. Unit cell letter dimension along 3 edges. Now you see this is the 3 edges A, B and C. A, B, C. এই তিনটা edge আমি পালো তাক আমি কওঁ প্ৰান্ত মাত্ৰাৰ ওপৰত unit cell টা গঠন কৰিব পাৰো আৰু 2 নম্বৰ হল the angle between the edges alpha beta and gamma ঠিক আছে এই edge বিলাকৰ মাজৰ angle alpha beta আৰু gamma based on this parameter we can construct the crystal in this form you have seen you can construct the unit cell in this form have you seen this only this is the unit cell now by extending in different direction we can construct different type of unit cell how because the basic parameters for this unit cell is this A, B and C and alpha beta and gamma in this unit cell you have seen that these 3 parameters A, B and C alpha beta are almost equal isn't it and when it is equal it look like a cube ঘনাকাৰ দেখিবলৈ পোৱা গৈছে সকলো বিলাক একক কোষতে এই ধৰণৰ parameters কেটা সদায় একে থাকিব বুলি আমি ক'ব নোৱাৰো suppose we have changed this parameter we'll take another example jot A equal to B C to slightly bigger than C is slightly bigger than A and B A আৰু B কে C to অলপমান ডাঙৰ বুলি ধৰি jot angle কেটা আমি একে ৰাখিলো now how it will look like something like this where A and B are the same but C is slightly bigger than A and B then how the unit cell look like it look like this isn't it so by changing those so therefore so this is a different type of unit cell which is different from this type of unit this is a cubic type but it is not looking like a cubic type so by changing this parameter A B and C or changing the angle alpha beta and gamma we can construct different type of unit cell now in solid how many types of such kind of unit cell we can have you have seen by experiment that in all type of solid there are 7 different type of unit cell as a whole do you understand there are 7 different type of unit cell we can construct by changing these parameters we'll find these 7 type of unit cell in all type of solids now these 7 type of unit cells are coming from different perspective that is from types of unit cell all right so it will come into the next part do you understand so ami ki bujilu je in solid the constituent particles are arranged in a 3 dimension jituk ami crystal lattice buli ko which we call it as crystal lattice and when we construct this crystal lattice we will find certain small units and those small units which is repeated to construct the entire crystal and that small unit is called as unit cell so unit cell is characterized by 3 parameters alpha beta and gamma and the angle between the edges alpha beta and gamma are the angle and edges A B and C ঠিক আছে based on this we'll come to the next part okay you have understood so if তোমালোকে যদি বুজি পাইছা তেতিয়ালে আমি next part লৈ যাও ঠিক আছে